That question to Aba Singh. She's joining us on the phone line. Ma'am, good morning to you. Why is that anyway women have a hard time when it comes to projecting themselves as a leader and in politics? How is that? And we always see the example, whether it is of Kangana Ranaut or any other leader, she is an MP for God's sake. And not respecting that position, she often becomes a subject of ridicule. What do you have to say on that, ma'am?
You know, this is the reason that even after 78 years of independence, freedom, we have barely 15 to 18% women in the parliament. Women are scared to come in public life. Women are scared to join the government because they are ridiculed. They become a laughing stock by cheap people. I will say, be it politician, any person who talks cheap things about women, it goes back to him. Now, if you talk about it, that if Kangana has if she has done makeup, that's her personal choice. Why should these politicians come to such a low level and talk about personal things? I think very rightly, as a person was saying, you have to walk the talk. When you talk of women empowerment, you say, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu." So please learn to respect the girl. If makeup is a personal choice, how she looks, good, bad, is irrelevant. Please treat her as a human being. What does the Constitution say? Like, everyone is showing the Constitution all the time. Equality before law, equal protection of laws. Do not do not discriminate and on basis of religion, race, caste, sex. Sex means male, female. So if she's a female and she's dressing up, she has a right to dress up. How she looks, good or bad, that is not to be commented upon. You comment upon poverty, you comment upon education, that too of the country, not personal. It is defamatory. Kangana, in fact, should file a defamation suit against such politicians. That would be the right way and teach him a lesson.
Well, that's the point missing, because every time that we have seen, of course, Kangana Ranaut being the new MP there, and we have seen that she's often been made a target. But the issue at large that was being discussed in the assembly was very important. They were talking about the floods. Do you believe that, Aba Singh ji, thank you very much for joining in. Brinda Adige is with us right now. Brinda, do you believe that when it comes to an important subject like floods, people have been affected, people have been displaced, the entire attention gets diverted when a mantri actually talks about or comments about how a woman MP looks, whether or not she is wearing makeup or not? How is that even important?
He is a parliamentarian, an elected representative. Important or not, he has no right to comment about anybody's makeup or no makeup. These kind of misogynistic statements seem to have become as if the prerogative of male politicians. They think that these are comments that must be made in the parliament and not address the issue that is at hand. Floods, people's loss, shelters lost, emergency services that must be given. Instead of addressing all of that, he's addressing and talking about somebody's makeup. How does it matter who's makeup and who's not wearing a makeup? How does it matter to this fellow or to the flood affected victims? Such people not only should apologize publicly, but they must be suspended and said, don't come to the parliament for the next 10 days, and we would put that as suspension.
Well, we haven't seen that, Brinda, happening. I mean, setting such an example would be ideal. But, you know, when it comes to walking the talk on the big slogans that they have been given, when it comes to Nari Shakti, what happens when you have to take action on ground?
Absolutely. We are not talking about Nari Shakti. Even before Nari Shakti, we want to talk about Nari Ganata, Nari Maryadi. Is that not something that every elected politician and parliamentarian has to uphold? Is that not his right, his duty to uphold? It is the right of every woman to be spoken and interacted with respect and dignity, irrespective of which party that woman belongs to. It does not matter. This kind of loose talk just goes to show that these are people who do not walk the talk. And something which is
irrelevant, not important, not even needed to be discussed or even taken up, and that too inside a state assembly. Brinda, thank you very much for your point of view. What we are discussing right now, viewers, as important issue as floods that have affected hundreds of people. We have seen exactly when it comes to the cloudbursts that were reported in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Already it is dealing with financial crisis. And look what seems to be the subject matter of discussion inside the assembly. Listen in.
और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था। और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था।
Well, Pragya, I mean, already as we are looking at, Kangana Ranaut has become like a punching bag for many leaders in the opposition, she being a new MP. But a woman itself is something that has now become as an easy target. We've seen such kind of atrocious statements that have been made by leaders from the opposition as well. It is something which is irrelevant, completely not important at all. But why is that the focus then remains on Kangana Ranaut and not on the work that she seems to be doing?
Well, first, I would say that this shows the crass mentality that exists in political system, and we should, know these are also the drawing room talks, and these are how they talk about the women MPs and about the women leaders, behind the back also. And this probably is also a manifestation of that. The words that have been used against Kangana Ranaut, and not just Kangana Ranaut, against her mother as well, in a bid to degrade Kangana Ranaut, you have also attacked the mother. So this kind of situation is all pervasive. It is a cross party line, I would say, but to use it at a platform which is meant to put across the important issues of people's, which is why you have been given that mandate, shows the mentality of the leaders as well. And it has to be.
And what happens with them? Do they get away with it easily? What will their party do? Maintain distance, or say that it's a personal point of view for leader? Nonetheless, that has been made by a minister, and that too in the State Assembly. Pragya, Pranesh, and also to you, Amandeep, thank you very much for joining in. Of course, multiple reactions that would be coming in on this story, but exactly what had happened inside the Assembly with such kind of statements that were made against an elected representative.
और जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था।
Imagine the looks are being discussed and talked about of an elected representative, a woman representative, and that is why we say, Shakti, fight back.